Sorry guys, it got disconnected. I will do my job. Let me complete the paper. Okay. What is rancidity? Very easy rancidity question. You must be knowing that the food containing oil or fat undergo oxidation and develop what? Develop a foul smell and bad taste. That is what we call rancidity. Correct? That is what rancidity is. Right. The next question is zinc oxide is called amphoteric oxide because zinc oxide react with both acid as well as base. Okay. Zinc oxide react with both acid as well as base. So it is called as what? Amphoteric oxide. Next, sodium metal is stored in kerosene because sodium metal is highly reactive. Hello, sodium metal is highly reactive. Nikhil, how you wrote? Sodium metal is highly reactive. It reacts with air and may catch fire. So to prevent this accident, it is stored in kerosene. Along with sodium, we taught you one more metal also. Can you name that? Along with sodium, we taught you one more metal also kept in kerosene. Can you name that? Gold is used to make jewelry. How the gold is used to make jewelry, you know? Because the gold is malleable. Gold is malleable. Gold is ductile. Okay, and even it is gold is what? Gold is shiny, right? Lustrous. So this is main important points are malleable and ductile. Ionic compounds in solid state do not conduct electricity because what is the reason, Nikhil? Ionic compounds they do not conduct electricity because ions are not free to move. Ions are not free to move in solid state, so they do not conduct any electricity. Understood? Understood? Mention to measure of preventing corrosion of iron. You can just painting and you can make it, you can go with anodizing. Even you can go with alloying. Correct? Right? How is concentrated acid is diluted? By mixing. By mixing what? By adding or by adding. You can say by adding. What you will add? Tell me. By adding acid in water. Slowly. How? Slowly, drop by drop. Slowly, drop by drop, the acid is added in water. Slowly, drop by drop. This we completed. Yes. 14, 15 over. 14 over. 15 also over. We explained 16 over. 17, 18 and 19 also over. Okay. Now, 20th. Complete the following oxidation and oxidation reaction and name the functional group that is found in the product. Let us see. Alcohol. This is alkaline. Okay, they gave alkaline and acidified andre alkaline potassium permanganate. Potassium K2Cr2O7. You can write in terms of word also potassium dichromate. It is not compulsory like that. Okay. So what you will get, this is an oxidation reaction, dear student, CH3COOH. This is called acetic acid. Acetic acid also called as ethanoic acid will get. Okay, which acid will get? Ethanoic acid. And what is the name the functional group found in? The functional group is What is the name of this functional group? Carboxylic acid functional group. Which functional group it is? Carboxylic acid functional group. Right, very good. Akanksha, this one your doubt. I think you have written correctly, Nama. So you make it out now. Draw the diagram of arrangement of apparatus used. This is refining of copper diagram. I think this is normal question. Very good, Akanksha. If you have got right, I am very happy. Hope you will get a good marks. Write the chemical equation for the following reaction. Quicklime is reacted with water. Andre CaO is reacted with H2O to form CaOH twice. Okay. Zinc pieces are added to copper sulfate solution. We will get zinc sulfate and copper will be displaced. Displacement reaction. Sodium chloride solution is added to. Sodium chloride solution is added to silver AgNO3. We'll get sodium nitrate and AgCl, which is a white PPT. White PPT is AgCl. Whether you all got this? Whether you all got this, my dear students? Okay, this is end of this 22nd question. We have a choice in that, which we'll see where it is choice somewhere else. Here we have. So balance is equation. Oh, it is very easy balancing by. I think you got this, right? Tough question, have a choice here. H2O2, O2 to balance O2 here will give 2. So 2 oxygen, 4 hydrogen, done. NaCl, Na2 is A, so we'll give here 2. So Cl becomes 2. So here 2, H2O, CO2 balance. Here it is also balance. Here if you give N2 to balance 2, NH3, so 3, H2. Uh, I think it was easier. It was easier. Next question. NaOH, COH twice, H2 and Cl2 materials are given to you. By using which of these material you will prepare a bleaching powder? Obviously, will prepare bleaching powder by using CaOH twice and Cl2. Write the chemical equation. This is chemical equation. CaOCl2 plus H2O. Correct? This is a chemical equation. Very easy. And one use of bleaching powder. What is the use of bleaching powder? Oxidizing agent. Correct? Oh well. How do you identify a solution as basic solution? By using a blue litmus paper. If it is a basic solution, then if we dip it in a basic solution, if we dip a litmus paper, blue litmus paper in a basic solution, it do not change its color. The color remains blue only. By this we can say, what? Okay, it is a basic solution. Under what condition does a farmer treat the soil of his field with slake lime? Under which condition the farmer will use slake lime? Any idea? Under, yeah, free from germs also, Ravi. It is used to kill the bacteria, disinfect the water, also. Hmm. Ah. What is the answer? Under what condition the farmer will use the soil of his field, like slake lime he will use? Very good, Ravi. That's right answer. If the soil is acidic, the soil is acidic in nature. If the soil is acidic in nature, remember, if the soil is acidic in nature, the farmer will use basic substances like slake lime, chalk powder, etc., etc. Right, my dear students? Young ಬರ್ದಿಯಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ easy ಕಾಣಕತ್ತದ. Till now we did not got any toughest question. 23, 23, 24 now we are waiting. This is 24th to increase the pH of soil. Yeah. Very good, Akanksha. Write any two different saturated and unsaturated. That is the single bond between carbon atom, unsaturated double or triple bond. Correct. The saturated hydrocarbon includes alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon includes alkene and alkyne. Saturated hydrocarbon are unreactive, are less reactive. Unsaturated hydrocarbon are more reactive. Unsaturated hydrocarbon undergo which reaction? Substitution reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbon undergoes addition reaction. Yeah, you can write about the flame. Sooty flame for saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Sooty flame for unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, understood? Non-sooty flame for saturated, non-sooty. Okay, very easy. First point, single bond and they double or triple bond. Second point, it includes alkane. It includes alkene, alkyne. Yeah, Yashashri, you can write those many points we can write. Just they ask 2 points, so dead easy for 2 mark. I think, huh? Structural isomers, again, we did it in our revision, having same molecular formula but different structural formula. Butane, they gave dead easy, straight chain butane, branched chain butane. This is N-butane, this is called isobutane, guys. Whether you wrote or not. Let me know whether you wrote or not. Whether what we taught you helped or not. Guys, a honest review we want. Whether it helped or not. Honest review. Very good. Thank you. Electron dot structure of methane. Electron dot structure of methane. Methane molecule. Electron methane, this is carbon here, and this is dot here, dot here, dot here. Carbon valence is 4, so 4 dots will come here, guys. Here will go with hydrogen, and here will go with hydrogen. Here will go with hydrogen, and here will go with hydrogen. This is CH4, guys. CH4. Done. Right, 5 marks. Oh god, such a easy question. Such a easy question, yeah. Let's enter into the bio parts, my dear students. The information source of making a protein in the cell is DNA. Oh, ho, ho. DNA or gene. What you wrote, guys? What you wrote? What you wrote? What you wrote, guys? DNA. But who exactly gives the information for the protein synthesis? Yeah, it is not DNA, it is a gene. Nah? DNA is not like DNA is there, but DNA main all the instructions given by genes only. What kind of protein should be prepared? What kind of protein should be prepared? Those all instructions are given by gene, not DNA. No, not DNA. DNA is having gene, right? So gene is the information source for that protein synthesis. Hope this is very like kind of a question where a lot of things can happen. Can be a DNA, can be a gene. If we go deeper in the depth, then gene should be the answer. If we see superficially up to your level, then the answer looks DNA. Okay, let's see what key answers comes from the officials. Officials, what they see. Up to your level is DNA, but if you see in depth, then gene is the answer. In depth. Hope DNA should be correct because you all wrote DNA. You all wrote DNA, so I would wish that DNA should be right. I should be wrong. Blood sugar level increases under secretion of insulin hormone, swelling of neck due to increase in secretion of insulin. Oh, no, no, no. Under secretion of insulin, blood sugar level increase. Swelling of neck, then it is under secretion of thyroxine. Under secretion of thyroxine hormone due to less iodine. Okay. Excess intake of iodine due to less iodine. Good question. Good question. Actually, under secretion of iodine. Decrease in iodine will leads to decrease in thyroxine. Whether you wrote more secretion of thyroxine, under secretion of thyroxine. Thyroxine is prepared with the help of iodine. Thyroxine is prepared with the help of iodine. So if iodine is there, then thyroxine will be prepared. So according to swelling of neck, that is called goiter, then in that iodine is less, because of that thyroxine is also less, it is produced. Hope you guys, what you wrote, ma Yashashri? The type of asexual reproduction occurs in Spirogyra. That is exactly the fragmentation. Spirogyra is the fragmentation. Fragmentation. अरे यार यशस्वी, Akanksha A you wrote. Akanksha D. This is D, but previous one what you wrote, ma? A you wrote, right? Good. Thank God. What is the function of ozone layer? Protect us from harmful UV rays. It protects us from harmful UV rays. What is neuron? What you wrote? Neuron. Neuron. Structural and functional unit of nervous system. Structural and functional unit of nervous system. Structural and functional unit of nervous system. What you wrote? Neuron. This is also done, guys. Akanksha, how much you expecting? Ma Yashashri, how much you expecting? Question paper was good. That you wrote Gina DNA. Okay, Akanksha, that is good. 95 plus will be a good result. That you wrote Gina, the event that occur, and you have to write in what you say in order. So first takes place absorption. Second takes place conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Then splitting of water into hydrogen, oxygen. Finally, conversion of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. Right? Everybody, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Right? Right. How do auxin promote the growth of tendril of climbing plant around a support? I think you did not wrote that. Might be other one. How does our body respond when adrenaline is secreted into the blood? You know our heartbeat increases, right? And our blood pressure also increases, and the blood where, okay, how does our body responds, and the blood supply to the our parts which is required to use there, the blood supply increases. Like for example, if we have to run, then blood supply to the muscle like increases, correct? Blood supply to muscle like increases. I think you have written, am I right? Okay. So next question, construct a food chain using organism, snake, frog, grass and grasshopper. First grass you will write, then grasshopper you will write, then frog you will write, then snake you will write. Which organism has a more accumulation, what they give? Which organism has more accumulation of harmful chemical in this food chain? Then you should write a snake have a more accumulation, because it is at the above 79, Shankar. That's very good. Above 79 is out only, na? Why to write that much, Shankar? Uh, Anything you are writing, na, man, Shankar? Are you sure that you will get? 33 is the diagram. Again, that can be done by yourself. Very good. Stake. Who? Shankar. Write the role of following enzymes in human alimentary canal. Trypsin. What is that trypsin? Easy paper Nagras. That's great. Trypsin. What is the role of this enzyme? Trypsin is responsible for digestion of protein. Protein digestion. Amylase digests carbohydrates. It digests carbohydrates. Lipase digests lipids or fats. Okay, very good. Sexual reproduction leads to more variation because there is a fusion of male and female gametes takes place, right? Fusion of male and female. In women's uterus, the role of how many marks it is, buddies? This is 35th question. How many marks? How many marks? 35th, 4 3s are 12. Okay. In women, it is the role of placenta is significant for the development of fetus. You must be knowing it is used to transport all the nutrients required for the baby's development. Okay, and also take the excretion of, I mean, waste will be through the placenta only transported to the mother's blood. Okay, very good. Okay, amylase digest sugar. That's right answer. Akanksha is correct or wrong? No, 100% right. You can write menstrual. How does menstruation? It is, you know, that when the egg is released and there is no I mean the sperm entry or fusion of fertilization has not taken place, then how the egg comes out, endometrium breaks and how it comes out, that should be explained. In male reproductive system, the testes are located outside of abdominal cavity because of low temperature. Okay, outside the body the temperature is slightly less, so it is present outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum. This reason is explained by us to you in our classes. This is the structure of human brain, guys. I think you have done it. This is it. This is it. All the questions we have completed, right? All the questions we have completed. At the age of puberty, yeah, Nagaraj. Hope you guys wrote well. Finally, whether the paper was bit, I can say bit. 5 marks. 4 to 3 to 4 marks, I can say. Was bit twisted, like you might lose 1 or 2 marks. But if you get even out of 80, 77, 76, 78, will be a better marks. Yeah, Yashashri, that's the right answer. Last subject. Thank you, dear students. Shankar, have a great day, ma'am. Ma'am. One and the same, guys. Thank you so much. This is Isas Guitar. I'm signing off from here as a mentor yours. I wish you all the best for your future. Guys, take care. Thank you, guys. Okay, Shankar. Nagaraj will come. Will come. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.